Good morning, y'all. I'm struggling big time to get up today. I woke up in the middle of the night after I went to bed at like 10:30, pooped, and I'm still pooped. So I took some, one of my favorite vitamins is a B12, B6 thing, and it's really, really small. I'll put the link below. Did I get it off Amazon? I may not have, but it's just a microlingo, and you know, B vitamins supposed to give you energy. So I really want to get my day started today. I thought I was going to go in the office, but I need to spend some time doing some things at home, multitasking, and I just wanted to share this is what I did to my hair. I don't particularly like that stuff that I put in my hair, but I bought it and I just want to use it up. Because it leaves the hair kind of stiff. So this was my attempt at pineappling, and then I put a bonnet over it. So we'll see how this all turns out. But for today, I am going to be doing a little bit of work, cooking and organizing. I do need to let my camera charge and my phone charge, so we'll do that. And also I do need to edit because I am a day late on my Vlogtober. Okay, all right, well, does anybody else have anything their go-to other than coffee? I try not to, but I think I am going to go make a cup.
I have been working non-stop, way longer than I thought. I had some meetings to do. I really like to work on my sofa. And in the background, I'll put on like a YouTube video about something I don't know about, or a hair video, or whatever the case may be, just to have some background noise. I kind of like to do that. But I took my scarf out because I did have some video conference meetings, and boy, I mean, what do you guys think about this? I think it really looks like my hair. It really looks like my hair. And I just dyed my hair black. I rinsed it with Adore Jet Black, because when I got these clip-ins, they were rather dark, type of thing. I also ate, oops, nope. I'm gonna do an unboxing to show y'all what I got. But I got something yesterday that is like lit, for real. So I'm going to finish up. I'm going to try to finish up working in the next 30 minutes and then get into the kitchen and clean up, because I have to do some cleaning and cooking, and then I also have boot camp today. So okay, I'm breaking away from my work computer because my kitchen and everything that I need to make is a mess. So typically during the week, I try to meal prep 2 or 3 things for myself and for my boyfriend. Obviously, as I was saying yesterday, I'm doing low carb and really high protein. I'm eating like a lot of meat. I also like to do things like to get him to eat vegetables. So yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw, but Aldi's, they had these spaghetti squash for 69 cents, I think a pound or something like that. And then I found like a good garlic sauce, and typically what I do is create like a vegetarian version, because he doesn't eat meat, he eats fish, and then a version that I can eat. And this is how we're gonna sneak in the vegetables. Then I also have like some just in terms of grabbing and going, he likes sweet potatoes. I got these from Aldi's, or I don't even know where, because it has been really hard to find sweet potatoes. I don't know if they're out of season or what. These things look a little rough. I also have some frozen Ghanaian food I made that I got some coconut flour, so I can make like a low carb fufu and peanut butter soup, which is also high protein, and high protein from the peanuts. I think it has oxtail and goat meat in there. Oh my god, that is gonna be a banging dinner. But before I do any of that, I need to clean up the kitchen. So it's 2:15. By like, well, first do y'all see this? I'm so happy that they're doing that, because somebody stole my phone number. Somebody stole my phone number, and I can't stand that. I just be blocking. Anyway, I need to clean up with these dishes and get started on this sauce. So trying to take this little bit of time from break, and then I'll pick back up maybe 5:30 or so to get my mind right. Actually, no, 5:15, get my mind right to go to boot camp and work out today. I'm trying to work out at least 2 to 3 times a week. That has been a transformation for me as well. Okay, so let me get right into this cleanup, y'all. Yesterday on my discount store haul, I got some scrub sponges. These are non-scratch because I have some sensitive type of pots and stuff, but also odor resistance, which is really what I hate about sponges, is that they start to stink. This wasn't bad. 1, 2, how many is in here? 9 of these are in here for $5.99. That's why I love TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I wanted to talk to you guys about just life transitions and things of that nature. So the biggest one for me has been living with someone and trying to really just come out of my space, as well as like figuring out how we both team together, don't get on each other's nerves and things of that nature. So one of those things that we do is, since we kind of both work from home, is to have our separate places in the house to be able to get our work done and essentially like not see each other for a few hours. And that's been pretty much working pretty well for our, ourselves, so that we're not just constantly up underneath each other. Also, managing like budgets and expectations. So there's one app we started to use, but I'm not too hot about it. Curious if anyone out there who's in a couple type of situation and you live together, like what do you do to kind of manage the money? Do you use some type of app? Is there some type of method that you all use that you guys could kind of share below? Please leave a comment below. And then also, I think thirdly has been like, we eat totally different, right? I eat meat. Like, I love red meat. I love red meat. And he's a pescatarian, vegetarian on top of, and I'm really trying to get rid of like lessening eating dairy. And he loves dairy. He also like drinks a lot more wine than I do. So this just been in terms of just combining our eating habits. So you're gonna see this meal prep I'm going to do is going to be a little bit all over the place, but it's the best that I've been able to work out. You all have any suggestions? Would totally be down to hear that.